This is not a sci-fi movie scene. This is Chongqing, a city where the monorail flies through skyscrapers. The train passes straight through a residential building, and for locals, it's just another morning. Here, the city doesn't spread out, and it rises up. Bridges, layers, tunnels everywhere. You glide above the river, dive between buildings, and soar back into the skyline. Chongqing doesn't show the future. It lives in it every single day. If you want a journey that amazes from the first second, start with this train.